I started with my class. I gave a presentation. I loved that. And then I wanted to do this more often. So I asked the teacher in front of whom I gave the presentation. He really loved it. So I gave it in another class. Then from that class, I gave in front of the college. From that, I gave it to another college. From there on, I went on to other conferences in other colleges in other cities. That's how I started. But that's a very long way. And it took me years to actually establish myself as a thing.
I am a travel photographer by profession. I have written for multiple magazines. I have traveled to about 47 countries and have covered over 100 UNESCO sites. A silly question is, what is collaboration? I have no idea or no understanding of that. And my specific question to Raj is, how can I break into speaker circuit?
Number one thing, Ajay, incredible stuff. I'm blown away with your introduction, man. I really look forward to see your work. What I mean with collaboration is, number one thing which you should do right now, instantly right after this call, is go to Discovery Plus and look at who all are the new directors and the producers who are making good stuff on Discovery, because I know for a fact that Discovery was trying to find out photographers and videographers who can make a documentary on UNESCO sites. So that can be one of the biggest projects in OTT platform. Go check out right now. I don't know who's the right person to reach out, but maybe you can find out on LinkedIn or try to find out on try to find out their emails from some of the other place. I just know that they're looking for good photographers for UNESCO. That's one. And then you'll get to know the power of collaboration. The second is, how do you get in the speaker circuit? You start by speaking about the things which you are really passionate about. What happens in speaker circuit, okay? Everywhere across the world, there are events in specific industries which are happening. Let's say photography has certain events, design has certain events, motivation has certain events, finance has certain events. Everywhere there are certain events which help people gather together of similar interests, and then there are conferences which are happening. Now, what are these conferences looking forward to? First, you need to find out where are these conferences happening. Second, what are the kind of speakers who are speaking in these conferences? And third, what is the theme for next year or for the upcoming conference? Then, based on all these three things, you draft an email, you reach out to them, and then you tell them what kind of preposition you can bring. You do 2 or 3 keynote speaking, like you give 2-3 speeches for free. And once they start liking you, automatically you'll build a lot of rapport, a lot of network there that can easily slide you in the speakers bureau. I started with my class. I gave a presentation. I loved that. And then I wanted to do this more often. So I asked the teacher in front of whom I gave the presentation. He really loved it. So I gave it in another class. Then from that class, I gave in front of the college. From that, I gave it to another college. From there on, I went on to other conferences in other colleges in other cities. That's how I started. But that's a very long way. And it took me years to actually establish myself as a thing. The second and the best way is you can actually look up to, because now we are digitally more connected and now we can trust more people in the game, right? So what you can do is you can look up to someone, be it anyone, be it me, be it Azan, be it anyone who you really like, maybe Gary Vee or maybe Tony Robbins. Just look at that person who you really want to become like, who you think can help you out. Try to reach out to them, try to find out, are they offering any kind of courses? Are they offering any kind of consultations? Are they offering any kind of collaboration way where you can actually get to collaborate with them and try to understand how they've built their entire journey? Then these people can help you cut down on your time of reaching to a goal where you really want to reach. The community and everything is going to happen as you start taking steps in the way. And now I also have I've built a course on how to become a public speaker and take this professionally. You can maybe look up to that if you really like what I do. And there are other ways as well. But reaching out to people who you really like can cut down a lot of time. That you need to understand that a lot of people can't actually reply to everything. Sometimes you miss out on the things, but if your specific chances of getting discovered is much higher. That's what I have learned after sending 200 emails to somebody who I wanted an attention from. So if you're very specific, then you exactly know, like the creator or somebody who are reaching out, that person exactly knows that whether they can help you out or no, and they can reply you with no, I can't help, or maybe they can reply with let's do this.